From order generation to rapid response, ZTCC operates a fully digitalized logistics dispatch system. Strict document verification and batch audits ensure every dispatch order is 100% accurate. Professional logistics teams oversee the entire process, embedding standardized operations into every step. Standardized warehousing, precise protective packaging, and clear shipping marks ensure complete end-to-end traceability, functional zone planning, and secure handling. Partnered with reliable logistics networks for safe transport. Since 1996, ZTC provides global clients with end-to-end, precise, and highly controllable supply chain security.